So next will be your investing activities. So investing activities is something to do with your non-current asset. So first thing that we will look at is under assets, your balance sheet. We will look at all the non-current assets that you have. Okay. For example, cash at bank is a current asset, so we don't look at it. And then inventory is a current asset as well, so we don't look at it as well. Investment is a non-current asset, okay, but there's no changes in your investment. That means we don't buy any new investments and we don't sell any investments as well. Okay. Now we look at plant and equipment. Your plant and equipment has increased from 30,000 to 62,000. So there is an increase in your plant and equipment. That means you might buy some new plant and equipment for your company. So you need to see whether this plant and equipment is bought on credit or bought on cash. So if you look at your additional information, okay, your plant and equipment was purchased for cash. That means you buy your plant and equipment by cash. Okay, so there is a cash outflow, okay, of 32,000 here. Okay, so under cash flow from investing activities, you will have purchase of plant and equipment, okay, or payments for plant and equipment. And this is an outflow, okay, it's a cash outflow, so it's a negative 32,000. So how do you get 32,000? It's actually the differences between your plant and equipment, because at the beginning of the year, you have 30,000 worth of plant and equipment. At the end of the year, you have 62. That means you have increased. That means you have bought more plant and equipment. So 62,000 minus 30,000 equals 32. So you will have 62,000 minus 30,000. Then you will have 32,000. Okay, so once you are done, you need to go back to your non-current assets to see whether you have left out anything. Okay, so for accumulated depreciation, there's no cash inflow or outflow, so we can just ignore this. Okay, so once we have done checking all the non-current assets, we only have this item in our cash flow from investing activities. So straight away we can sum everything up. So in our cash flow for investing activities, we only have 32,000. It's a negative 32,000.